Hey, what's up guys? It's Lem here again, your tech guide. Today we are going to be unboxing my brand new iPad Pro 12.9 inch 6th generation. This one is the 256 of memory. The reason why I purchased this is because my computer is not working anymore. The one that I built. So I'm gonna change my form of editing. So this time I'm gonna be using the iPad. So here we go guys, just a quick unboxing. We're gonna really test this out, how powerful this iPad is. I think I will be uploading this video at 4K 60 frame per second at 10-bit, and maybe down the future I will try to increase my quality as well to see how strong this iPad can handle. All right, so here we go. So I need to purchase a case for this. All right, look at this. This is such a fragile device, guys. I need a case instantly for this. So let's put everything to the side. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this, guys. That is a beauty. Damn, that's beautiful. Wow. Okay. Let's power this up. And then we'll check what else we have inside the box. Okay, so inside the box you have your charger. I think this is a low voltage charger, and of course your type C, and nothing else. All right, just a size comparison. Okay, this one is the 10-inch. I can't remember, 10-inch or something, but there you go, the size difference, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna boot this up. I'm gonna try to upload the DaVinci editing program, and we're gonna see if we could edit this video in a high format in this iPad Pro.